Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys my contact lenses colors. So all those contact lenses are from Just 4kiras. And look at the box, how cute it is. And now we're gonna open it. Ooh. There's actually a card that says like how to put your contact lenses, and this is just upside down and this is downside. Contact lenses makes your eyes really big. It changes your eye color and makes it more aesthetic, and you can match it with any outfits. So this is a card. Therefore, there's a whole kit. There's a whole kit of contact lenses. Actually, though, I'm putting a contact lenses. I'm currently wearing the Easter brown color from Just 4kiras. It's very beautiful, and those ones are from one package. It comes with two boxes, well, one for the left eye and one from the right eye, and you can actually put your prescription on the eye contact lenses. And I am actually -4 because I have myopia and I can't see really well from the far. And those are the contact lenses that I put it on. It's super beautiful. And those ones are 1 year one, so you can wear it anytime in a 1 year session. And now I'm gonna unbox the other one. It's called Mirage Color. And I don't know what is the color inside, so I'm gonna unpackage them right now. The contact lenses, it's kind of like a brown-ish. It's called Nilla Brown. The color is called Nilla Brown. So right now I don't actually have any contact lenses on. You can see the difference of it. I'm gonna open it right now. It's hard to open. It's still very well. I have a little mirror here. Put it on this side. Can you guys see the difference? Now I'm gonna put the other one on. You have to put your contact lens with the right side. It's a bowl and ta-da! This is the AKA what is called Nilla Brown. My eye looks like this. It's super beautiful. And now I'm going to put the other one. So this one is gonna be blue. So it's kind of different from the brown section. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And also, if you guys want to get 20% off on your purchase on this 4kiras eye contact lenses, you guys can use the code itscicibussiness20. The blue one looks like this. It's like kind of transparent. And the other blue one, the box is super cute. Super cute. So this blue one, blue color. Look at the blue color. It's like super blue. Oh my god. Fell on the ground. Wow. Damn, my eyes look different. That looks so weird because it's different colors. I opened the other blue one. Let me stick to the wall. So I'm gonna wear. Ta-da! This is the blue one. I look actually like a doll, not gonna lie, because my eyes look super blue. I actually do like a Barbie right now. And And we will test out the last one. The color is gonna be more gray. Looks like that. And flip it to the right side. Ta-da! I put the gray on. It looks like this. Super beautiful. Super beautiful. Like, look at the eye color. It's like great inside. Super majestic. I like it. And if you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like my video. And see you guys next time. Bye.